2 years ago today, on the 5th of December 2008, I put a solar array on the roof of my car. This one's been up here for 106 days. This is the Mark III Magnum SunFoil. 3.77% of the battery's rated capacity with the solar power. The panel actually owns the battery completely, unless the headlights are on or it's too dark for the panel to be charging. The vehicle's burning 26.5% less fuel than it used to, 3.2 litres per 100 kilometres less per month. If I took this thing off, I'd have to burn 34% more than I am at the moment. So let's just say the vehicle is now a 30% solar electric piston hybrid. The joyous news is this is the first copycat SunFoil. Same size panel, not quite the same battery ratio, faired in wood, stuck up the front because this is what old mate thinks is a good idea. And who am I to naysay it? Because this is a 30 watt panel on a 55 amp hour battery, 2.66% of the battery's rated capacity, makes it a Mark II Magnum SunFoil faired in wood. And whereas an aluminium panel would cost $500 to $700 for the fairing, a wooden panel is $100 for the materials and 1 hour worth of a competent carpenter's time, which brings the whole exercise well within the price of a set of new tyres, to shave, in this case, 20% off the fuel burn of a V6 Falcon. If you go for the Mark III panel, 3.77% of the battery, you'll be looking at 30% of the fuel burn, because you won't be burning fuel to make torque, to drive a fan belt, to make electricity, to feed an energy sink attached to a drag brake on the crankshaft. Just enjoy the synchronicity. 2 years to the day since the Mark I went onto my car, and old mate has got the first copycat SunFoil.